突然之間
means that something happens in a short period of time without any signs or warnings before, giving people a feeling of being caught off guard. There is a similar word in Cantonese that is
電光石火。電光石火
describes extremely fast speed, as fast as lightning and fleeting. It is more often used to emphasize the speed of action or change. This word is more used to describe the speed and suddenness of something happening, but it pays more attention to the speed than
突然之間。
For example,
葉孤城同西門吹雪係當今世上最頂尖嘅劍手，佢哋喺電光石火之間已經過咗10幾招，仍然未分勝負。最後葉孤城使出天外飛仙，突然之間葉孤城發覺手部不能動彈，原來佢已經被捕，被告行為不檢及參與打鬥。
do you enjoy this teaching style or topic? Please share your thoughts in the comments. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe, hit that little bell, give it a thumbs up, and share it with others. See you next time.